Hello students, welcome to Lucky Gate. It is a question from the subject data structure asked in GATE 2005 for 2 marks. Here the question given is in a complete K-array tree. K-array tree is nothing but each internal node will have K childrens. In the place of K, if I am calling 2 childrens, I can call it as a complete binary tree. In a complete binary tree, all the levels are full. All the levels are full means, see, these are the levels. Here all the levels are full except possibly the last level. Suppose I do have this one, except possibly the last level, and that last level also filling from left to right. See here how the last level is filling from left to right. Here you see it is a 0th level. It is in 0th level, every internal node is having 2 childrens. In the first level, each internal node is also having 2 childrens. It is a second level. Here all the levels are full except possibly the last level, and even that too filled from left to right. Then we can call complete binary tree. Here binary tree requires each internal node required to have 2 childrens. If each internal node contains 2 childrens, we call it as a binary tree. If each internal node contains K nodes, we can call it as a complete K-array tree. Simple. So the point is the number of childrens of each internal node is K childrens. Then I can call it as a complete K-array tree. Now what is given? Every internal node has exactly K childrens. It is given what is meant by complete K-array tree. Every internal node will have exactly K childrens. The number of leaves in such a tree with n internal nodes is. I will explain you solving of this question with 2 methods. Here the method 1 I am calling is a substitution method. Here in the K array I am using number of childrens are 2 childrens. Then I can call it as a complete binary tree. Assuming some examples, now we can call it as a complete binary tree. Why? Because every level is filled except possibly the last level, and each internal node is having 2 childrens. Here what is given? Each internal node contains K childrens. So what is the value of K here? I am assuming 2 childrens. And for this example, how many internal nodes we have? We have 2 internal nodes. So the number of internal nodes, n, I am calling 2. Okay, n internal nodes. And how many leaf nodes? How many leaf nodes we have? The number of leaf nodes that we have equals to 1, 2 and 3 leaf nodes. Now this one we will check with every of the option. How many here? Option A says n into k, that is 2 into 2, which is equals to 4 leaf nodes. But how many are given? It is given only 3 leaf nodes. So option A is incorrect. Option B given n minus 1 into k. What is n? 2. 2 minus 1, 1 into k, 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. So means option B may be true. Look for option C. What is n? 2. What is k? 2 minus 1, that is 1 plus 1, which is equals to 3. Means option C also may be true. Look for option D. What is n? 2 into k minus 1. What is k? 2. 2 minus 1, 1, which is equals to 2. But how many leaf nodes we have? 3. So option D is eliminated. In the substitution, I eliminated option A and D. So option B and C is satisfying the answer. So that will elaborate this example. I will take one more complete binary tree. Now here this complete binary tree is also called full binary tree because all the levels are full, right? So means a full binary tree is always called a complete binary tree. A complete binary tree need not be a full binary tree. Now here I can call this is a complete binary tree because all the levels are full except possibly the last level, and that too the nodes are filled from left to right. Here all the levels are full, then we call it as a complete binary tree, and also full binary tree because every level is full. Now for this case, what is a k? The k equal to 2. And what is n? Number of internal nodes. Number of internal nodes are 3. Now number of leaf nodes. How many leaf nodes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaf nodes. Now for the first B option, what is n? I can say here in the first B option, n is 3. 3 minus 1, 2 into k, 2 plus 1. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 equal to 5 leaf nodes. But how many leaf nodes we have? 4. So option B is incorrect. What is left is option C. Option C is the correct answer. But we'll check whether that option C is correct or not with respect to this. What is n? 3. What is k? 2. K minus 1, 1 plus 1. That is 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Number of leaf nodes are 4. So answer for this question is option C. C is the correct answer. Now I solved this question with respect to substitution method. Suppose if I wanted to prove it. Now we'll solve the same question in method 2. In method 2, we'll see what are the total number of nodes possible. Total number of nodes possible in a k-array tree, which is equals to n into k plus 1. Here what is n? N is a number of internal nodes. What is k? K is a k-array tree. K equal to number of childrens of each internal node. We can call k-array tree number of childrens of each internal nodes. And what is plus 1? Plus 1 is the root node. Here you see for this example, number of internal nodes are 3. Each internal node will have maximum of 2 childrens. 3 into 2, total is 6, plus 1 root node. We can call total is 7 children, 7 nodes. Now total number of nodes are equals to n into k plus 1 possible. Here also you can see how many internal nodes we have? 2. Each internal node is of degree 2 because it is a binary tree, plus 1 root node. We can call totally 5 nodes. Correct now? So means this formula is satisfying to find the number of nodes in a binary tree. So here this formula I am calling number of nodes in a k-array tree, where n is the number of internal nodes because it is a k-array tree into k plus 1. This is a formula. Now how many number of total nodes? Number of internal nodes plus leaf nodes. Now number of internal nodes plus leaf nodes equal to n into k plus 1. Here internal nodes is n. I need to find leaf nodes. I am writing n plus leaf equal to n into k plus 1. Now the number of leaf nodes are equals to n into k plus 1. This n comes to other side. It becomes minus n. Now I am taking n common from these two terms so that n into k minus 1 and this plus 1 as is plus 1. Now what is the question? It is to find the number of leaves in a such tree with n internal nodes. So how many you can expect? Number of leaf nodes are equals to n into k minus 1 plus 1. Now this is matching with an option C. So option C is the correct answer for the question. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.